What's up, y'all? This is DJ So. Welcome back to the channel. I've got a nice little video for y'all today. I appreciate you watching and I hope you enjoy. What's going on, YouTube? This is DJ So, and I'm here with a review of the Phenyx Pro PAS-225X. It's the professional UHF antenna distribution system with directional antenna kit. So let's unbox this thing and see what we got. Let's unbox this thing and speed it up. As I open it, I notice a nice carry case. Very solid, very nice and robust. Inside, we got the unit itself, metal, good construction, and then some cables, some BNC connectors, and the instruction manual. And underneath, we've got the two paddles and a charging block and some more cables. So it looks like I don't really have what I need to get this up in the air, but I'll figure something out with that. So I was able to connect everything. I got the paddles here. I've got the distribution system here, and it is actually powering on the GTD audio mics. And then in the back, I've got the two antenna from the GTD audio connected to the distribution system. And then the power is connected right here, and it powers on the GTD audios. And then for audio, I've got a 1/4 inch going into my JBL Eon 1. So we're gonna turn this on and do a little sound test, range test, and see what this system can do. Check 1, 2, testing 1, 2. Check loud and clear, loud and clear. Check 1, 2, microphone check 1, 2. Check test 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check 1, 2, microphone check. I'm gonna go outside, see if y'all can still hear me. Check 1, 2, I'm in the garage. Check 1, 2, walking, still walking. Check 1, 2, testing 1, 2, I'm outside of my garage, I'm outside. Check 1, 2, walking down towards the end of my driveway, there's a little bit of wind. I am now at my mailbox. Check 1, 2, check test 1, 2, I'm walking on the street now. Check 1, 2, test, check 1, 2, I'm in the middle of the cove. Check 1, 2, testing 1, 2. Check test 1, 2, I'm walking towards the neighbor's house across the cove. I am at the mailbox of the neighbors across the road. Check 1, 2, check test 1, 2. Now I am walking back. So what are my thoughts on this Phenyx Pro antenna distribution system? Well, from first impressions, just connecting it just now within the past few minutes, it seems to be a really good system. The range that I got from this, as you saw in the video, I mean, it was incredible. And this was through a couple walls in my house, going out my garage, out my driveway to the neighbor's house across the street. And these still seem to pick up loud and clear. I can see myself using these definitely for ceremony setup. However, I think if I were to use these, I would need to get a rack. And I've actually been thinking about getting some type of rack system for microphones, specifically for ceremonies. I know some of you use a rack setup for your ceremony setup, and I've enjoyed watching all those videos of those racks. And I think I'm gonna have to design and build a rack system of my own. I'm gonna put in this antenna distribution system. I'm gonna get maybe a couple other microphone systems and then just call it a day. And when I go to a ceremony site, I can set it up. Gotta make sure my paddles are able to be flown up in the air a little bit, and then I'm gonna be good to go. Let me know what microphone system you think I should get to go with this antenna distribution system, I'm looking at maybe the Phenyx Pro, the other 71 that includes handheld and lapel, or 2 lapels. But let me know. I'm trying to find something within a certain budget. I don't want to go too crazy. Of course, I know you got Sennheiser, you got Shures. Those work well. And I'm going to see what I can find out there to use this. And I can't wait to use this antenna distribution system at my next ceremony or my next PA event, which I think I might be able to use these at a PA event coming up over at my kids' elementary school. My daughter's got a 5th grade graduation ceremony coming up and different programs coming up for the end of the school year. And I've offered my sound PA services to the school. So hopefully they'll give me a call and let me know what I need to do. And I'm gonna, of course, try to video and log those as well. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate you who have subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. This is DJ So, Daddy by Day, DJ by Night. God bless.